Did you buy a home and are now regretting it? Then you need to stay tuned because in this video, I will be going over the top mistakes new homeowners make and how to avoid them. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha Hamilton, real estate agent at eXp Realty here in Simcoe County, Ontario. And today we're going to talk about the top mistakes new homeowners make and how to avoid them. If you want to learn more about how I can help you buy, sell, and invest homes in Simcoe County, reach out to me however you want. Call, text, email, DM me on your favorite social media, or if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. And remember to hit that notification button, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started on today's video. Ignoring the budget. One of the biggest mistakes new homeowners make is overestimating what they can afford. It's not just about the mortgage payments. You have to account for property tax, utilities, maintenance, and those unexpected repairs. For example, a leaky roof or a broken furnace can set you back thousands of dollars. It's crucial to create a detailed budget that includes all these expenses. Consider using budget-friendly apps, consulting with a financial advisor to get a clear picture of what you can truly afford without stretching your finances too thin. Skipping the inspection. To save money, some homeowners skip the home inspection. This is like buying a used car without checking under the hood. Home inspections can uncover hidden issues like structural problems, mold, outdated electrical systems that might cost a fortune to fix later. For instance, a friend of mine bought a house that seemed perfect but skipped the home inspection. A few months in, they discovered significant water damage in the basement which cost over $10,000 to repair. Always get a thorough inspection before finalizing your purchase. Not planning for repairs. Every home, new or old, will need repairs. New homeowners often underestimate these costs. Create a maintenance fund aimed to save 1 to 3% of your home's value annually. For example, on a $300,000 home, you should set aside $3,000 to $9,000 each year for maintenance and repairs. This fund will cover unexpected issues like a burst pipe or a broken water heater, ensuring you're not caught off guard when something goes wrong. Over-renovating. While it's tempting to turn your new home into your dream palace, over-renovating can be a financial drain. Focus on renovations that add value and improve your quality of life. For example, a kitchen remodel can provide a good return on investment, but adding a luxury home theater might not. Prioritize projects like updating old plumbing or adding energy-efficient windows. These improvements will save you money in the long run and make your home more comfortable and valuable. Neglecting insurance. It's essential to have the right insurance coverage, especially considering the weather conditions here in Barrie. For instance, Barrie is known for its heavy snowfall and occasional severe storm. Make sure your policy covers potential issues like roof damage or heavy snow or flooding from spring thaws. One of my clients chose a cheaper insurance option that didn't cover water damage. After a particularly harsh winter, their basement flooded due to the melting snow and they faced thousands of dollars in repairs that weren't covered by insurance. Also ensure your policy covers local weather-related risks. Forgetting about the future needs. Think long-term when buying a house. Consider your future needs to avoid outgrowing your home too soon. For example, if you plan to expand your family, make sure you have enough bedrooms and bathrooms. Or if you're working from home, consider a home with a dedicated office space. Another example is considering accessibility if you plan to age in the place or have elderly relatives moving in. These considerations will save you the hassle and expense of moving again in a few years. Ignoring the neighborhood. The house might be perfect, but the neighborhood is just as important. Spend time in the area in different times of the day and week to get a real feel for it. Check out local amenities like parks, schools, and grocery stores. One time, a client loved the house, but later found out the neighborhood was very noisy at night due to nearby bars. Research crime rates, school ratings, and future development plans to ensure the neighborhood suits your lifestyle and needs. Underestimating utility costs. Those beautiful large windows might look fantastic, but they can also hike up your heating and cooling bill. Be mindful of utility costs and look for energy-efficient homes. For instance, homes with good insulation, energy-efficient windows, and appliances can save you hundreds of dollars a year in utility bills. Consider requesting past utility bills from the seller to get an idea of what to expect. Rushing the process. Patience is key. Don't rush into buying a home just because you're excited or because the market is hot. Take your time to find the right property that fits your needs and budget. A few times, especially during COVID, clients rushed into buying a home without considering the commute time to work and now spend hours in traffic each day. Remember, buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll make, so it's important to be thorough and patient. Not asking for professional help. Real estate agents like myself are here to help you navigate the complex process of buying a home. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance and support. We can help you with everything from finding the right property, negotiating the best price, to handling the paperwork. For example, a client I helped was able to get a significant discount on their home because I know how to effectively negotiate with the seller. Professional help can save you time, money, and stress. If you want to learn more about how I can help you buy, sell, and invest in homes in Simcoe County, reach out to me however you prefer. Call, text, email, DM me on your favorite social media, or if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to hit that notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.